So you've got your MG here. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, it was owned by a chap in Tottenham in Cambridgeshire for nearly all its life. He bought it new in '62. He took it off the road in 2011 and to do a restoration, basically. He did a lot, spent a fortune at MG, and then he got dementia, so he couldn't finish it. So basically it sat alone in its garage since 2011. 2024, he had to go in a home, and that's where we picked it up, because the family needed to move it from the garage. I said I'd do it up. My mum passed away with dementia, so I said to the chap that I was building it with, let's sell it or raffle it, and all profits go to the Alzheimer Society. And mentioned this to MG, and they came along and said, that is an excellent thing to do, and we'll help you all the way. So the Owners Club have been brilliant with their support, and they said bring it along to the show. We're setting up we've got a website. It's going to be a little site on there to purchase tickets as well, put like a shop. So we've got 2,500 at £10 each, and hopefully we'll sell an awful lot of those.
Brilliant. And then the winner will then win this MG, which has been lovely restored.
Yeah.
And is it all sort of complete, or got a couple more bits left to do on it?
There's a few bits Charles should finish today, because you see all these car TV programmes, they've got about 10 people working on them.
Yeah.
I've got one.
So you're going to be doing some restoration work here on the stand?
Yeah, I'll be putting the flooring in and the seats. Yeah, it'll have a full MOT and be worked over by the MG Club in the garage there. They'll check it over, so it'll be hopefully 100% okay.
Brilliant, okay. And in terms of the raffle, do you know roughly when that might be, or?
Yeah, I've been chatting to the guys, and they said about this show in November, but if not, we'll do it at the club, at the Owners Club.
Brilliant.
Around about November time.
And we'll be covering it, and we'll obviously keep everyone updated in terms of, when that's to be expected, and also just carry following the journey of the restoration and the support for the Alzheimer's.
That'd be great
as well. Brilliant. Well, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.